Shankar.
Start.
Good morning, madam. My name is Sriram of class 6th. My partners are Shoshankar and Vicente. Welcome to our geometrical park working model. So I will be explaining to each item one by one. The first which we are displayed in the park is which is part of the circuit. This is arc. This is chord. This is center of the circuit. This is diameter, and this is radius, and this is center, and this is secant. These are parts of a circuit, and there are given 8 3D shapes. This is cylinder, three faces, no corners. This is sphere. Sphere has one face, no corners. There are given a cubit. Cubit has 6 faces and 8 corners. There are given a cube. Cube has 6 faces and 8 corners. They are given a types of triangles. They are given us types of triangles: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalar triangle. These are types of triangles. There are given a 2D shapes: rhombus, trapezoid, rectangle, kite, parallelogram, triangle, square. These are 2D shapes. There are given a slide on point, line, ray, line segment, parallel line, intersecting line, perpendicular line. We can see easily. Just like this, you can see information about points and lines.
Okay.
There are given types of angles: acute angle less than 90 degrees, right angle exact 90 degree, and obtuse angle less than a straight angle, reflex angle less than a complete angle, straight angle exact 90 degree,
180 degrees.
180 degrees, full rotation exact 360 degrees.
Oh.
These are geometrical for union and intersection.
Okay. This is union.
Yes, madam.
Okay. This is intersection.
Intersection.
Nice.